guys, it's Kate, and today we start cook with you borscht. Let's start. We need the next ingredients. There 1 tomato, meat on a bone, 1 lemon, 2 or 300 grams of cabbage, or today I use cauliflower, tomato paste, 2 carrots, 2 onions, 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, 1 beet, and 5 potato. Let's start. And if you want, you can use meat, a lot of meat, for example 2 or 300 grams of chicken, for example, and add to our future borscht. Let's start. At first we put to our pot 2 and 5 liters of water and stir our pot on the gas. And add our meat on the bone, cover a cup, and leave about 20 or 30 minutes. Now we peel our carrots, garlic, potatoes and beet. Cut the potato into small pieces. Rub carrot on a grater. Cut the onion in small pieces. And add to our carrot. Now we start grate the beets. And add beet to our mixture of onion and carrot. Our bouillon is ready, and now we add potatoes. Now we start frying our vegetables, cutting vegetables. We put pan on the gas, add oil and add our mixture of vegetables. Before our vegetables are frying, we start cut our garlic. We mix it, turn medium heat, and if you want that your borscht color will be beauty red, you can add juice of lemon, a half of tablespoon, enough. Now we add 2 spoons of tomato paste, or maybe 3 spoons, and mix all of it. our mixture frying between 5-7 minutes on a medium heat. We cut the we cover our mixture, and now we cut our tomato. Now we add garlic to our mixture and mix it all. 30 seconds and we can turn off our gas. And pepper. Now we cut our cabbage and add to our soup. And if you use flower cabbage, you like me, you can add together and our fried vegetables. If you want to hear a good smell of borscht, you can add flowers leaf, 1 or 2 pieces, and cover. We wait 3-5 minutes. So our borscht is ready. Let's see on this beauty red color. So tasty our borscht. We will cook a good bouillon. If you want, you can add to our dish garlic. If you want, you can add to this dish dill and parsley and sour cream. Thank you for watching. Put likes, subscribe, and bye!